I have been using these for a year at least. They are delicious and I have not been sick since taking them. Taste is great, no nasty aftertaste. I got both kids and myself to eat these during cough and cold times without an issue. I will buy these again. Love the taste. Everyone in my house takes these daily. It tastes really nice and very affordable. Really like the combination of ingredients. The quality and taste is terrific. Click link in description for more reviews. Check our recommendations.